Let's go.
Hold up, back up. Take one. Hope I don't die.
Have fun.
Oh, shit. Now what?
You have to, it's narrow, man. Just push it through.
Right here.
Get on this side of the tree. You have to back it up. Not like that. What the hell are you doing? Dude, you can't get out right there.
He's doing what he wants to.
I help him get around that damn tree, though.
I know.
Oh, I mean back where it's like really thick.
Huh?
Nothing, dude. Come on, let's keep doing it.
Hey, well, how do you...
Dude, now just turn it and go forward.
Straight forward?
Yeah. What?
Dude, go straight forward. See what the hell you did. Yeah, I didn't watch it.
Yeah, you gotta get a wheel on there, man. Don't let someone get through.
Oh, shit. That means I gotta leave way the fuck over here, right?
Hey, if you want to. Hey, bug, I'll do it. It's gonna feel weird, just go through it.
Do it! Shit, I missed it.
Miss what? And now you gotta go down a little bit and come back up. You gotta get straight for it anyway. If anyone wrecks that, it's more likely to be Cody.
He's already wrecked one.
Yeah.
Could've got that one.
Oh shit, that's deep right there. So, hold the camera. I'm gonna pull. Hey, hold on. Give him a little bit. Get the wheel going straight back.
Sorry about the shaking. Dude, he's digging a divot.
Not faster.
God damn it.
Did you stuck? Oh shit.
Hey, now what? Just keep backing up a little bit?
You can't back up any farther.
Try backing up now. Hold on. Try now.
This is a lovely angle, Elliot.
Damn, I can't believe I already got stuck.
I didn't get stuck, it's not my fault. Dude, look how fucking far his wheel is. Cody, your left back right tire is like halfway in. Mud.
Okay, come on, we'll back it up.
Back up?
Alright, it's Hell, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Well, there's your video.
Yeah.